A few parents came out this morning to demonstrate about the poor condition of the roads. As Member of Parliament, we have had several meetings with residents about this road. This road falls under the responsibility of the Westmoreland Municipal Corporation, which means it is really the councillor. However, out of those consultative meetings, I had allocated funds for this road to be repaired. So incidentally, this road was scoped last week by NWA. They came out here and they looked at it to do their assessment for works to begin. So I was a bit shocked this morning when I heard that despite communicating that the road will be fixed, that person still sought to go ahead and mount a protest and create some disruption on the main thoroughfare from south into Negril Resort area. So I came and I spoke with them, and a lot of them are now a bit relieved. They are saying that despite hearing that, they wanted to hear it from their MP. So as their MP, I came to do what I was elected to do, to represent the people and to speak to them. So this morning I think some of them are a bit at ease with the discussion that we had. We spoke about a lot of things, not just the road, but they took the opportunity to, of course, discuss other concerns they have from the community.